Yeah, hello everyone. Now welcome to today's session. So you see we're solving more questions under the new series, the simultaneous equation. And we should be using the method of substitution, that is, we'll be solving this equation simultaneously using the substitution method. Now from here, we're given s minus 5y to be equals to minus 8. Now let's call this equation 1. Then we have 3s plus 2y to be equals to 10. Now let's call this equation 2. Now for me, I want to solve like these two equations simultaneously using the substitution method. Now, instead of from equation 1, we make s the solid of the formula. Then we substitute the value of s into equation 2. Or we can go to equation 2 and make maybe x or y solid of the formula and substitute the value back to equation 1. Now, I'm here looking at the equation. The best way to go about this is to make s the solid of the formula from equation 1. So from here, you have s to be. Now, if you make your s the solid of the formula, that means s will stand alone, while every other thing will go to the other side. So if you bring your minus 5y to this other side, it becomes s equals to 5y minus 8, because the minus 5y becomes plus 5y when it gets to the other side. So you have s to be 5y minus 8. Now let's just call this, equation. Now let's say 3. Now you can call it any, you can make an equation star, anything. Now from here, so from equation 2, so now we can substitute s equals 5y minus 8. So once substitute s equals to 5y minus 8 into equation 2. So our equation 2 is 3s plus 2y equals to 10. So for me, when you substitute your s to be 5y minus 8 into this equation, so you have 3, your s is 5y minus 8, then plus 2y equals to 10. So when you expand this, when you open the bracket, this becomes 15y, 3 multiplied by 5y, that will be 15y, minus 2 multiplied by this, that will be 24, then plus 2y equals to 10. And we can correct the like terms. If you correct the like term, this one, that means your 15y and 2y come together. We can move this constant value to the other side. So you have 15y plus 2y equals to 10. Now when you move from minus 24 to the other side, it becomes what? Plus 24. So from there, so you have 15y plus 2y. That will be 17y. Then your 10 plus 24 is give you 34. So you want to find the value of y, you can divide both sides by 17, and your y will be equals to 2. So y equals to 2. Now, we have gotten the value of y. Now we need to find the value of s. So you can come back to this equation theory, where you have your s. So from equation theory, where we have s to be 5y minus 8. So we want to find the value of s. So for me, we already know our y to be equals to 2. So when we substitute y equals to 2 in this equation, it becomes s equals to 5, then y is 2. So we have minus 8. So we have your s to be 10 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So minus 8, and your s to be equals to 2. So that means the value of s and y that satisfy this equation here is s equals to 2 and y equals to 2. And this will be the value. So when you substitute this value back into this equation, you get this. If you substitute s to be 2 here and y to be 2, you're going to get minus 8. And if you also substitute s to be 2 here and y to be 2, you're going to get 10. So those are the answers.